Hi guys, so this video is all about some items I got from the Verna Mae Foundation. The Verna Mae Foundation was founded by Verna Mae's daughter, Simone. So I'll leave their information in the description bar below, as long as information on how you can probably give towards this foundation. So let's just jump right into it. So I got this little train case here, and it opens up like this. Let me scooch it down some more for you. I'm so afraid it's going to fall. And then it opens up like this, but I am just going to remove everything I have on it because it's a little bit heavy. So I got a ton of Fashion Fair lipsticks. I have a lot of Fashion Fair lipsticks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and let's just pull one and see what it's all about. So this one is called Posh Punch. Ooh, and Posh Punch is a nice little red color, as you can see there. That's Posh Punch. And let me get another one from another package. So you have different packaging. You have this little gold one here, and I have more lipsticks over here. You have these little gold ones right here, and then you have these brown ones right here. So let's just look at one of the brown ones. So what the packaging looks like for the brown ones. And oh, the packaging is really nice and sleek. You pop it open, and this one is called Breathless, and it's a really gorgeous orange. It's coming up a little bit red on camera. It's an orange with reflective gold in it. So that's it for the beginning of the top part. Then I got some lip glosses, and this is a number 5. So I got 3 number 5 lip glosses, and I think the brand is called Glow. I'm not quite sure. I just see Glow. And then I got a bag of glitter mascara. 5 of them is in here. Glitter mascaras. Oh my wow, this is a lot, and I have not gotten to the big part yet. So, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4 lash doors. I use it because if you guys follow me for my online classes, well, if you are part of my online classes, you know that I have been using hair glue to do but now I got 4 lash doors, so I don't need to use no hair glue no more. So this is Go. Oh, Go is a brand, so it's a Go eye mousse, and this is in the color I think it's ESMO2. Let me open it, and look, it's like, oh my goodness, it's like a, oh wow, it's all moussey. Not sure if you can see the reflection it's giving off. Oh, this will be nice as a nice little glow. That's really pretty. And into this kit is essentially a lash kit, an eyelash kit for lash extensions. I got some more glitter mascara here, and I got this is a Fashion Fair Perfect Finish, and this is a, I'm not sure, it says Mocha Glow. So let me open it. Oh, it's a foundation. Oh, this is a lot of product. It's a foundation. Okay, so that's great. Got some more gold lip glosses, some more glitter mascara over here. These are Duo Eye Cream, Go Duo Eye Cream. So probably like an eye primer, and again some more glitter mascaras. And Carnival season is coming up, like wow, I'm all perked. And on this side I got some Go glitter and some more Go mousse and another Go mousse, which I am really liking just by the consistency of it. Sorry. Over on this side, so over on this side here is where most of the eye stuff are, right over here, and in this side as well for lash extensions, but lash extensions. Not quite sure what this is. Don't want to put it, but I'm thinking it's a part of the lash extension jars. Then back over here I have tons, I'm not quite sure if you guys are seeing this, but I have tons and tons of eyeshadows all through here. Tons. These are all eyeshadows, and this is a red coating, a red cap coating. Not quite sure what. Oh, this is probably for the eyes. More lip glosses, more gold lip glosses. I got an eye brush, 2 eye brushes. I'm guessing this comes with the kit as well. So anything that's not makeup, I just assume it's with the kit. Another one of those brushes for the kit as well. So yeah, that's basically everything. Oh, and tweezers that come with the kit as well. So everything in here just belongs to the kit. Oh, we have more. I am absolutely floored. And they have even colored lashes as well. So these are like some rainbow ones, and these are the natural black ones. I am floored, you guys. I am floored. I don't want to dig into this anymore because I have, see that pink thing over there? Yeah, I have to go through that as well. So this is the pink case, and this will be my new train case. It just lifts up from the back here. Then I can put it back down. So let's just jump right into what's in this. First of all, I kind of went through this tonight, and I took these out. These are my Herbalife shakes. Because y'all know, if you follow me on my vlog channel, you know I've been going to the gym and so on and so forth. So yeah, and that's in cookie and cream. It's my absolute favorite flavor. So I'm just going to pop the sides up and take the top part off, and it has a mirror here, which is good, so I can always have that. Next, as you can see, I have my proactive stuff right here, which they asked me, you know, what I want, and I just basically told them what I want. So all the makeup stuff, you know, I did that, but most of these they bought of their own initiative. So I have my proactive stuff, and I have a lot of nail varnishes here, over here, and over here as well. These are all nail varnishes. This is a Show Your Feet French pedicure set, pure white, and it's from a brand called Essence. So I have 3 of them in here, and I have some more nail polish over here, and these are some nail sheets. Let me just put these back. These are some nail sheets for like designs and stuff right here, and these are like some rhinestones. And I have eyeshadow here. Yes, these are eyeshadows right here, and I have some individual shadows over here as well. I have three duos from a brand called Caris. So I have 3 of these, well, 4 of these. Oh Larry, can't you count? And then I have the glow glitter again here. Put those over that side. And I have some more lip gloss right here, and this is from a brand called Catrice. I think Catrice is the brand that I said before. And this is oh, luminous. Oh, these are luminous. So I think these are airbrush foundation. Yep, airbrush foundation. So I have that, and oh, I have this. And I have some more glow glitters here, and I got some more luminous airbrush, shade 9, shade 10, some other airbrush stuff. So you know my airbrush, it's coming. Then I have some Ben Nye. These are called pressed eyeshadow. I have in this deep purple, then this like bluey purple here, then some more airbrush foundation, another duo from Catrice. And these are blotting sheets, which are excellent for my clients. I can give them a sheet or 2 to kind of walk with to blot their faces after I'm done with the makeup. And this is Essence, and it's adhesive pads refill for click and go nails. So that's that, but I'm just on the top layer. And these again, some more nail varnishes. These over here is just all the glow. These are just all of these again, just glow glitter. And then I have 3 Essence pressed powders, and they're in the same color, I believe. Yeah, they're all in number 2. So I have those there. And we have this, I don't know what this is. It's like a lip balm, moisturizing, yep, nails and deep strengthening and renourish. Oh, these are for nails. Oh, so that's interesting. I've never seen something like that before. So I am just going to pop the second part off. So this is the second part, and that's my little hype over. Okay, so in the second part here, I have, I think it's a jewelry piece, Essence Havana Heat. Oh, it's a bracelet armband. So it's a jewelry piece right here. And these are just some nail files by Essence. and my Urban Decay Basics palette. Oh my goodness, I've always wanted this. It's taking forever. Okay, here we go. The Naked Basics palette, and it is extremely tiny, you guys. It is tiny. Thought it would have been bigger, but it's tiny. Get that out to there. Then I have this Beauty Queen paper mask. Oh, and it's moist, so it's to clean your face, I believe. And then I have these pouches in here, these 3 pouches by Essence again. And then I have these pencils, these Essence cover stick pencils, and I am assuming, yeah, it's like a concealer stick. And these are some it says show your feet. These are some sticky glittery thingies for nails as well. Another jiggledy piece, and some other pads for the face. And this is show your feet and nail balm, and another gold glitter, this one here. And this is Hand's Best Friend hand and nail balm by Essence as well. And this is Essence Pocket Beauty Stay Matte Oil Control Paper, so another blotting paper. And my Smashbox primer, and this one is kind of tinted or colored or whatever. So this is, oh, this is for luminizing. So this is a glowy primer to give your face that extra glow, especially for the brides, and so on and so forth. So let me go over here on this side over here. And on this side we have Essence Sweet Temptation Trio eyeshadow. I have a couple of those. I have an Essence Quattro eyeshadow. I have some duo ones over here, and I have some other duo ones. I've never seen this brand Essence, but I'm going to assume that they're good. And I have 3 more because the colors look nice. I've never used them before, so I really hope it fares well for me. I've never used them before, so I'm just packing them back up over here. I like this one. I like how this one looks with these colors. Then we have Essence again Beauty Victim eyeshadow trio, and another glow glitter, and some more Essence doors over here. So that's it for that top part. Let's move on to the next section. So I have this resting on my Zuka, and yeah, so this is the Dinair set. And in here you have the Dinair, and Dinair is just an airbrush machine. You have the colors here, the hose, and I also got some LA Pro Conceal, and I got 2 Fawn, because Fawn is, as you know, what I use to do my highlights. So you'll be seeing the all of these in depth in another video. Then I got some pencils, some Catrice Kajal Designer. Okay, so it's in brown, and these are just the compartment stuff that comes with it. Then we have a Pocket Brightest Smile Ever. Oh, a teeth whitening system. Oh, that's cute. And it's 2 of them, and they have their own keychains. And then you have this Essence Pocket Nail File, again like portable. And then you have this Essence Pocket Mini Paper Soap. Oh, so it's paper that has soap, so just rub it under the water, and because it's paper, and it will eventually dissolve and create the soap effect. Then you have all these nail goodies right here, you guys. You have all of these nail goodies, glitters, stripes. I got tongue-tied. Then I got some more nail varnish from Essence, and these are Essence Nail Growth Pencil. Oh wow, okay. And I got 2 of them. Okay. And then Essence Base Mascara Volume Boost. I got 2 of those. And this is a Sweet Like Candy Pedicure Stick. Alright, now got 2 of those. Got some lip glosses. Then got the regular looking foot scrub. Then I got some Essence Top Coat. Then over in this corner, this is Exotica Eye Mini Pencil. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is cute. Oh, and it's in like a pearl color. It's like pearl. Okay, that's cute. So I have 4 of these in here, 5 of these in here, sorry. And then over in this corner again, I have another pocket dissolver thingy. This is the, I think, the charger for, yeah, so this is the charger for the diner, and this is the diner over here, and it's pink, and you guys know I love pink. Oh, it has a little bit of weight on it. Okay, so yeah, so that's all that's in this section here. So let's move on to the last box. So in the last box we have lashes, and this is from a brand called Fashion Queen, and I have the lash glue there. But you guys know I love using my lash glue, and because I have 4 of these, I would not have any use for this lash glue in here. No use at all. So I have 1 pair of lashes. Oh my gosh, I know I have a lot of lashes in this. And then I have not 1 pair, I have 1 set of lashes, and I have these. So these are all lashes. All of them are lashes. All of them are lashes. Just showing it to you guys real quick. I like these ones. These are my favorite styles. Then we have in here, I don't want to pull it, but you can probably see a little bit. Don't want to pull it. And there we have more lashes. Oh my wow. Then we have the separators, or the dividers, or whatever you want to call them. And we have my Urban Decay De-Slick makeup setting spray. I have this in my kit. I really love it. Then we have the professional primer, and then you have the face primer again. Then you have the It's Eyes Potent Benefit. So it's the benefit set right here. And then we have some more Smash boxes. So we have the hydrating primer, we have the blemish control primer, and we have the oil free primer, which this one is the most common one. That's the one that I always use. But I have another eyelash glue, you guys. I mean, when God hears your prayers, he hears your prayers, because homegirl was using this for a good month and odd, which began to tear up my lashes, but let's not go there. So this is Fashion Fair liquid makeup, and it's oil free. Oh, I've never seen this before. Ooh, it's called Copper Blaze. I hope this will be able to fit me. It looks very, very warm, but if not, you know, that's going in my kit. So let me just put this back up here, and in the bottom of this, not sure if you can see, but you have tons of eyeshadows and lip glosses, and wow, just a lot. A lot. And oh, we have one more Fashion Fair. Let's see, this one is called Copper Blaze again, so the 2 are the same color. So yeah, I mean, seriously, more glitter. Like, I don't know, I do not know. I am floored. Oh, and I got a little Smash box. Normally get this small one when you order a big thing. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, seriously, Lyric, you do not need to buy any more makeup for a really long time. So that is it for my video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and the herbal essence came in this set here, this section of the package. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. I just had to show you and thank her so much for sending these to me. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.